And Aaron joins us now on set, along with NBC News legal analyst Misty Marris. So, Aaron, the au pair in the case who had that plea deal and agreed to testify against her former lover, she is supposed to be sentenced next week, right?
Yeah, that's right. Her sentencing is expected for next week. In fact, in that press conference that followed the verdict, the prosecutor was pressed on what the journalist asked was a sweetheart deal, because it's entirely possible that the au pair in question, Perez Magles, could walk free next week. She pled guilty to manslaughter. It's possible that she is sentenced by the judge up to 10 years in prison. But the prosecutor, as part of the plea agreement, is recommending time served. So in that press conference, the prosecutor pressed on that. He insisted this was not a sweetheart deal, that it is still possible that she serves additional time in jail.
I mean, it is stunning given the fact that she admitted to also firing and shooting Joseph Ryan with a second weapon. I mean, Misty, talk to us about how the jury deliberated here, because they were out for about 2 days. Is that right?
Yeah, 9 hours. So the jury deliberated. We had a weekend in between and about 4 hours when they got the case on Friday. And you know what that does? It gives them time over the weekend. They can't talk about it. They can't look anything up, but they certainly can contemplate and think. So to the extent that they came back on Monday, maybe wanted to look at some of the evidence, which, by the way, was in the room with them. So they had full access to it, ultimately coming back with this guilty verdict on all counts.
If you were a part of that defense legal team, are you looking at Brendan Banfield's testimony and thinking that was a mistake?
Absolutely. And who knows whether or not his legal team made the recommendation for him to take the stand or not. It's up to the defendant to make that choice. But ultimately, in my view, watching that testimony, it simply was not credible. It was very self-serving, and he got himself caught in a lot of lies that the prosecutors exploited on cross-examination.
All right. Aaron McLaughlin, Misty Marris, thank you both. We appreciate it.